What's the meaning of bilious? Bilious. Bilious.
Bilious. Bilious. Bilious is an adjective that describes a feeling of disgust or irritation, often associated with nausea or vomiting. It can also refer to the bile produced by the liver, which is a bitter, yellow-green fluid that aids in digestion. When used metaphorically, bilious can describe someone who is constantly angry or bitter, or whose behavior is unpleasant and difficult to tolerate. The word can also be used to describe a yellow-green color, such as that found in a sickly complexion or a poorly lit room. In general, bilious connotes a sense of unpleasantness or discomfort, whether physical or emotional.